All right, for all you nerds who stuck around to the end of that, as you know, this song is somewhat known for its bass octave synthesizer sound it's got going on. In the recording, they use an actual bass octave pedal. What I was using is this Electro-Harmonix bass microsynth. Mostly not using it as a synth pedal, mostly using it as an octave pedal where I can get the sub octave and the high octave and the middle octave, obviously right there in the middle. And then I'm running it, the tone bone is the first thing I'm running in my chain where my bass goes into it. I'm using the effects loop. That's going over to my mixer so that I can play my upright and electric in the same gig by using this preamp for my upright. And then of course I can run it to any amp I want. And then what I'm using today is my Warwick LWA 1000 watt amplifier running into my Avatar 4x10 cabinet. A little bit overkill for just jamming by myself, but it just sounds so good. So yeah, that's how I got the tone for this one. Not the actual type of octave pedal they were using in the recording, but still I think it came out pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys.